Dookie, what it is, good people? How's it going? It's your boy PKNCSC where I say, man, I'm over there straight cooling like a booger, dude. What it is? Happy Thursday with it, y'all. Happy Thursday with it, y'all. Let me show you what I'm working on today. I gotta do some plastic welding. Show you right here real quick. Then see what these guys want. So I'm gonna try to weld that up. Yeah. Got that iron cooking. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. You'll see about it though. Yeah. Alright, we got that mesh on there. We cut off, put in that hole, fill that hole in. Like I said, we got these little cracks. Push them back out. You can see them more there. Yeah. So yeah, let's get to it. We're gonna chase the cracks, put an indention in there. Put an indention in the cracks so they can seal. Not just on top, but in the crack. See what I mean? Yeah. Alright. It ain't perfect, but there you go, Joe. There you go. See the screen right there.